Autopart SMF car batteries were designed to be completely reliable and safe, even in the hottest environments. Our years of experience and research enabled us to develop the SMF car battery series, special car batteries which are durable, leak-proof, corrosion and heat resistant with very low water consumption. Thanks to the hermetic sealing casing, anti-explosion inserts inside the lids, high vibration and heat resistance, the SMF battery can be fitted not only in the vicinity of the vehicle's engine, but also inside the trunk or even in the passenger compartment. Advanced technologies applied allow Autopart SMF to perform at peak efficiency in any conditions in every car, for up to 2 times longer than standard batteries. If you want the best for your car, there is only one choice. Choose Autopart SMF.